YouTube TV allows you to add premium movie channels like HBO, Stars, Showtime, and Cinemax to your subscription. Here's how to add them step by step. Step 1. Open your YouTube TV settings. Open YouTube TV on your device. Tap your profile icon, then open the Settings menu. Select Membership or Add-ons. Step 2. Choose your premium movie channels. You'll see a full list of available premium channels. Browse through options like HBO, Stars, Showtime, and Cinemax. When you find the channel you want, select Add to include it in your subscription. Step 3. Confirm payment. YouTube TV will show the monthly price for the selected channel. Confirm your payment method and complete the purchase. Once added, the channel will appear in your live guide immediately, and you can start watching right away. Step 4. Add or remove channels. Anytime you can add multiple premium channels at once. If you decide to remove one later, return to Membership or Add-ons, select the channel, and choose Remove. Your billing will adjust automatically. Step 5. Enjoy DVR support. Premium channels fully integrate with YouTube TV's DVR. You can record movies and shows just like any other content, and they'll be saved in your library. Step 6. Keep your app updated. Make sure your YouTube TV app is up to date, so all available channels and add-ons are visible on every device. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.